Shalom, family. It is Wellness Wednesday, and today I want to share a bit of a testimony. David and I have been needing a second car because we both work in different areas, and oftentimes you would see me driving him to work. Probably could continue that, but at some point we were just looking for a second vehicle. So I was in the store working, and a customer had come in and had mentioned that they were going to be out of the country for a while and was needing someone to basically car sit, house sit. And to make a long story short, wound up connecting in terms of the vehicle, and is perfect for what I need and the amount of time we need it for until we're ready to actually purchase a second vehicle. Today I've had the car, I think I've had the car it'll be a little over a week and a half. And today when I got in the car, I recognized something I had seen in the on the rearview mirror. You know how people hang things on the rearview mirror. On the rearview mirror, there was a sloth hanging, and I think sloths are like interesting creatures. I'd love to talk with the Most High about the creation of that one. But obviously, we're familiar with sloths. We know that they move slow. So the keychain that I had all this time, I thought, because it was green, I just assumed it was a frog. Not really into frogs, but today I recognized it. I really looked at it. It's crazy how you can have something and not really see it. And I looked at it and recognized it's a turtle. So it hit me. Again, my Wellness Wednesdays always kind of get to this point. And it's definitely taken a little bit longer than I would like for me to get it. But the Most High keeps putting it in my path. And I'm finding out that even at work, I'm slowing down. I'm taking breaks. I usually never do all day. I'm trying to get the proper nutrition in. Back to walking. I started walking yesterday. I'm going to try to walk 4 times a week. Just, again, self-care. We've been talking about self-care and taking care of yourself and slowing down. So I recognize that both things in this car are telling me a story. One of slowing down. So because sloths are slow, turtles are typically slow. Although I've seen some turtles move pretty fast. But we all know the story of the turtle and the hare. And how the turtle, and I need to go back and get that book or read that story. But how the turtle wins, slow and steady. And that's the thought. And another person gave me a quote yesterday that came into the store, another customer, and said he found a very interesting quote. The slower you go, the faster you get there. The slower you go, the faster you get there. So, I mean, my first thought of that quote was, oftentimes when you're moving fast, you got to go back and redo something because you've missed something. But if you take your time, do it right, do it when it needs to be done in the beginning, then you get there faster versus trying to rush, having to go back and do it again, and it takes longer. So I just really quick wanted to come and share that. The turtle, the sloth, just the testimony of how the Most High blessed me with the car. This individual wanted to rent it for a certain amount, which is a going rate around here. It was very reasonable, but I was very clear me and David have a budget. We stay on track, and here's what we have. And I was good. But like the Most High, Yah will bless us with a vehicle in this time. Well, this individual wound up calling me the day before or 2 days before she was scheduled to leave and said she felt like I should have the car and within my budget. And so I'm so thankful to the Most High for that. And he continually shows us that he is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that we can even think or ask. This car is pretty cute, by the way. And I'm just so thankful that, and happens to be one of my favorite colors. So it's funny how even the little details, even the fact of getting a car that's speaking, is a message with a little turtle on the keychain and a sloth on the rearview mirror, showing a message, all of which says slow down. And you know what? Most High works it all out. There's just no reason to be in a super hurry anyway, because things will happen in its proper timing and its proper way, according to the Most High's will. So I'm surrendered to him and trusting him and thanking him and giving him all the glory and honor and praise that's due him. You all have a wonderful, blessed week. Shalom, shalom.